everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be using summer florals to decorate a custom spread for my patron Dawn over on Patreon. Dawn, thank you so much for being a patron again this month. I'm going to use summer florals. These are KellofaPlan pages since she uses a KellofaPlan planner, and I'm going to use KellofaPlan stickers. So I really like this theme right here. It reminds me of, I don't know if you guys remember Happy Hostess, but it reminds me of that. It gives me like those vibes. When they used to do Planner Girls, I miss the Planner Girls. Okay, so I'm gonna grab these corner pieces here. I always forget, like this layout's a little flipped from what I'm used to, but we're gonna put this down here. Like, look how pretty that is. Like, the colors are just so perfect for summer. I like the little like lemons mixed in. Adorable. Okay, so I got a few. I like these like corner pieces. Put them up here. Pretty. Okay. And then I'm gonna grab some boxes. There are, ooh, I'm gonna do this one, sidebar one. There's these, and then these. Okay, so yeah, I wanna grab this sidebar. I'm trying to think if I want it here or here. I think I like it up here. Oops. Oh, jeez. Yes, cool. All right. And then I love these two. I'm gonna do this one. And then one of these solid colored ones. So I have to like pull things off of the, out of the frame. Wait, I think I want to stick something there. Okay, so I'm gonna grab maybe that one. Actually, I think I want it. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna stick down some more boxes. I really like this one too. These are cute. Okay, I'm gonna go with more of the solid ones, I think. Need some green over here. And let's see. The pink. Oh my got checklists. Actually, I think I'm gonna use bullet points for this spread. I'm gonna pull in this rainbow book because I think I have some stickers I can pull from here. So I got a nice green. The yellow's nice too. See the pink. I like these headers. See what else I got in here. Green. The yellow's nice too. I really like the sticker. This one says time to plan. So I'm gonna grab the bullet points that are in here. Also some more boxes. Okay. So I think I want pink. Pink. Yeah, pink is good. And I need this pink over here on this side. Need something here. I don't want to use anything with black. I already used a lot of the yellow, and I can't do green because it's too much green over there. Okay, so I have to buy another book. I could actually do maybe some flowers down here. Let's see. Oop, wrong book. I have all the flowers on this side. Let me try this out. Okay, kind of like that. You could put a quote here. Find a quote. And I have some checklists. I want to add some checklists. There's only like 3 kinds. Let's see. I guess I could use more yellow on this side. So, yeah. And we can do pink. Cool. And then okay, I'm gonna go back into this book. I feel like I need green. So I like this like lighter green. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. And then, I guess it's today. I'm actually gonna move this. Do one more of these. Okay, I just need something for here. Yeah, okay. So, I don't think she has quotes in here. No, okay. I have to go find another quote book. All right, so I'm hoping I can find something in here, which is essential quotes. This one. It says, on to the next adventure. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to this one. I don't know if that's like the one I really wanna go with. Do you have some of these? Those are too big. Okay, no black. These are cute too. Oh, that one's cute. That one says happy and grateful. Okay, I think that works. Cool. And then I think I'm gonna add in where'd they go? Ah, here they are. I like these. Stay True to You, and I like this Wonderful. Okay, cute. All right, so that is gonna be it for Dawn's spread. It's very summery. I love the lemons. They're so pretty. All right, Dawn, I hope you like your spread, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this plan with me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.